A strong earthquake shook much of Taiwan on Sunday, toppling a three-story building and temporarily trapping 4 people inside. Stranding about 400 tourists on a mountainside, and knocking part of a passenger train off its tracks. The magnitude 6.8 quake was the largest among dozens that have rattled the island's southeastern coast since Saturday evening, when a 6.4 quake struck the same area. More than 7,000 households were reported without power in Yuli, and water pipes were also damaged. The Japan Meteorological Agency issued a tsunami advisory for several southern Japanese islands near Taiwan, but later lifted it.